I woke up at a new low this morning, 158.8, getting absolutely shredded. So yo, good morning guys, it's your boy Ben. We're back with another video. 7:30 in the morning and we're here for meal one. I'm trying to eat a little earlier now, like as soon as I wake up. Get some protein in as early as possible. So I got Greek yogurt, PB2, and like some chocolate syrup with some apples, and then we got the cough. But this is episode 4 of the summer shredding series. So if you're new here, be sure to leave a like right now, subscribe, and we gonna get into the vid. Peace. Yo, we're back. You already know, physique update. Yes, sir. Looking solid. And if you guys are wondering why I'm a little shiny, I'm tanning outside right now currently. Look. Yeah, it's nice as hell outside right now, so I'm gonna do a little tanning and do some homework. We're gonna hit legs later, I'm pretty sure. So I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Peace. And we back with the pre-workout meal, I guess. I think I'm gonna go to the gym in a couple hours. Basically already finished it, but we got Greek yogurt, a half a scoop of protein powder, and some PB2 with a whole sleeve of rice cakes that I'm about to finish, and some pickles for the pump. You already know, sodium. That's gonna be the pre-workout meal. And then we got big leg day. Also, I forgot to mention earlier, I woke up at a new low this morning, 158.8, getting absolutely shredded. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the pre-workout dry scoop or at the gym. Who knows? Bye! And we back. You already know. My camera don't want to focus. But I ate that around like 1 o'clock. And it's now like 3:30. I thought I was going to go to the gym earlier. But then I ended up just doing schoolwork. Now we're going to eat something small again. And then head over to the gymmy. So yeah, we're gonna have another pre-workout meal. LOL. So basically, my cream of wheat, how I make it, I just put 1 serving in a bowl, put some water in it, and then I put it in the microwave for 1.5 minutes, and then I add everything, and I'll put it back in. So I'll show you what I put in it right now. 1 serving of baking cocoa, which happens to be around 20 calories for 5 grams, so that's 5 grams. Then we do a little bit of salt, 1 sweetener, and then we mix that. But then you want to add an egg. Like I said, I've been trying to experiment with putting fat in my pre-workout, and I honestly think it's like helped a lot for like just sustaining energy and not like crashing. I could be wrong though, I don't know. But yeah, then you have it like that, and then you just microwave it for another minute, and then it turns into a brownie. And there's our brownie. It looks hard, but it's pretty soft, And then we have apples and cinnamon. And then I think I'm gonna throw half a serving of Greek yogurt in here with some PB2. And that will be the pre-worky. The second pre-worky, whatever. You get all that for like half the calories of peanut butter. Like, good as hell. Look, like, this shit about to bust. So instead of dipping your apples in actual peanut butter, you make this stuff. But yo, I'm gonna eat this and I'll see you guys in the pre-worky. And we're gonna go smash some leggies. So, peace! And we're back. We on the Instagram live right now. Yes, sir. But yo, post-workout, 2 servings of cottage cheese, like 160 calories, with a serving of PB Fit, like 70 calories, and then some chocolate syrup, sugar-free. Don't add those calories. And some apples. We're finishing this up. We on the Instagram live. You guys gotta join the lives. Come on, you know the vibes. But I will see you guys before I go to bed when I eat. Bye. Yo guys, and we're back. But we're around like 2,000 calories for the day. If you guys didn't already know, I'm eating around 2,500 calories, doing 30 minutes of cardio right now, and I'm still losing weight. So I don't need to change anything. Losing weight very slowly as I intended. That's the goal in a cut, to be honest, to keep as much muscle as possible and even build muscle, possibly. Just keeping your calories as high as possible while still losing weight. So I'm slowly dropping, I'm slowly losing weight as I intended to. I actually have a big announcement, not a very big announcement, but a pretty big announcement. I posted how I got like a whole bunch of stuff from Bulk Supplements because I wanted to make my own pre-workout and just buy everything separately because it saves a lot of money. So I posted like, if you guys want to save money, just buy your supplements in bulk. And then like at the end of the post, I tagged Bulk Supplements, which was the company, and I put, you guys should sponsor me. And then they actually reached out to me and they gave me an affiliate code for you guys, so you guys will save 5% if you want to get anything from Bulk Supplements. I will add that link to the description. You'd be supporting me, and you're also saving so much money because Bulk Supplements is literally so cheap. You can get 2 pounds of creatine monohydrate for like 20 bucks. And like, I've been recommending this brand to people that I know, just like without even making any money off of it. So like, now that I can make commission off of just genuinely being honest and recommending supplements to people, it's awesome. You know what I'm saying? So if you guys want to check out Bulk Supplements, code BENS will save you 5%. The link is in the description. And you guys already know Fitletics is the best clothing in the game. So if you want to pick up some Fitletics with code BENS to get you dripped out in the gym, the link is in the description. If you need a training program or you're looking for a coach for a one-on-one coaching, my website is the first link in the description. Go check that out. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Please subscribe to your boy. Like the video if you enjoyed it. Comment for the algorithm. And yo, I'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace!